everyone, welcome back to A to B Vibes. Today we'll learn Linux file editors like VI and Vim along with powerful sed command to edit files quickly. So let's begin. Okay, first we'll create one file demo.txt, enter. So in Linux to create a file or to edit into that demo.txt, we use VI as a command, enter. So here the file is got created and we are into edit mode. So to write something, to write any lines in this Linux file, we need to press I. Okay, you can see this has been changed to insert mode now. So let's write a content called hello. It will be vibes. Welcome to Linux to welcome to Linux tutorials. Linux is powerful. Learning VI editor. Okay. So this is how you need to enter your content and to save this file. First of all, you need to exit from insert mode and then save that file and exit from this terminal. Okay. To exit from insert mode, press escape on your keyboard. Escape. Now you can see the insert has been removed. Colon, colon, W, Q. W means right here and Q is equal to quit from this terminal. Enter, press enter. Okay, now you can see the terminal has been exited with saving that content what we have removed. To verify that, we have command called cat demo.txt. Enter. You can see the content which we have entered into that text format. Fine. Now let's see we can do in the editor file. So let's enter into that file again into the edit mode. So you want to search a particular keyword, any keyword in this Linux. Normally in Windows, what we do, Control F, and we will get a pop-up like finding the keyword. But in Linux, we don't have any pop-up kind of thing. We need to search by giving slash. No need to enter anything, just enter slash and what keyword you want to search, a particular keyword. Let's search learning. Okay, learning keyword. Here you can see the keyword has been highlighted. And let's search welcome as well. So let's remove this learning and welcome, enter. Search hit bottom, continue at top. So you can see this cursor, has been found at welcome place. Now let's search tutorials. Okay. The word has been highlighted here. So same way we can search number of words by typing. In real time, what happens is there are thousands of line in VI editor in a file. So at that time, this keyword will get used. Fine. So now let's enter vi demo.txt. So to display particular lines of these words, sentences, so to display particular numbers for these sentences, in we don't have any sequence here, right? So to get that, we have option called colon set number. You can see here. Press enter. Okay, we are able to see the sequence here. In real time, we have huge number of lines. To get particular sequence numbers, we type this. We need to type this. We'll get that. So here, escape. Now to jump, now we will learn about how to jump to this particular line number 4. Okay, colon Just enter number 4. Enter. Now you can see the cursor has been jumped to line number 4. Same way we can jump to line number 2. 2. Enter 2 colon 2. Now you can see the cursor has been placed here. So that is how we can jump to the line. And one more command, like we have to copy this second line to line number 5. Okay. To do that, press YY, which we will it will copy the line number 2 and come down to line number 5, enter, and press P. Okay, escape P. Okay, P. Escape P. Now you can print n number of times. Just press P, 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 P. Okay. So you have a number of lines, right? You need to delete this entire line. So normally, if you come here, press and insert and press backspace, it will delete. But you don't want to do that. You need to delete entire line, right? For that, Linux to delete a particular sentence at one go, you you can normally press insert and press backspace, it will delete only single alphabet, but you don't want to do that. You would like to delete entire line sentence of this, like this line number 13, 12, everything. So just press DD, it will delete. Press DD, it will delete. Two times D, one time, two time. Press one time D, second time D, DD, 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 DD. It will delete entire sentence. Okay. This is how you delete a sentence in a VI editor. So everything is done. We'll delete this also. And we'll delete line number 5 also. Now you want to save this file, right? First escape colon WQ. As I said, it will write what we have given and it will quit from this terminal. Enter. Okay, done. Now to verify what content is inside, just type cat demo.txt, enter. So this is the content we have. Now what we'll do, we'll use a powerful command called SED. SED is command to replace a keyword in the file. Okay. Now we will replace Linux with DevOps. So you can see we have Linux here and Linux here. So this will be replaced by DevOps. Okay, SED single quote, yes. And what you want to replace? Linux, right? Linux with DevOps. And what is the file name? Demo.txt. Just copy here, paste here, enter. You can see it has replaced Linux. From here, you can verify it was Linux and now it become DevOps. But this is very temporary change. So just we use this SED. There is no option. Actually, we need to use option to change this file permanently. So I'll show you that also. Now let's type SED an I option. So we have -I option where the file will change permanently. Yes. And now in previous case, we are using Linux as we have Linux here, but now it has changed to DevOps, right? So now we'll give DevOps here slash to Linux again back. Okay. G option and file name demo.txt. Enter. Now we did not get any output. Why? Because the file has been changed permanently. That is why the reason we did not get the output here. So to verify the output, just cat demo.txt. Enter. Now you can see DevOps has been replaced with Linux. In previous it was DevOps, now it became Linux. So that is how we can replace any particular keyword in the Linux. Now let's try with another word replacing. So same we will sed, use the same command sed I hyphen I inverted commas single yes hello. We will replace hello this one this keyword with hi. Okay, and let's close this with G. And what is the file name we want to change? Demo.txt. Enter. Now it has changed. As I said, hyphen I replaces permanently. So we need to check cat demo.txt. Enter. Now hello has been changed to hi. Okay, fine. Now you want to print only second line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, right? So you want to print only this line without entering into demo.txt. So we have command called sed only. Sed is a very powerful command. We can use this in multiple ways. Okay. So sed, there is one more sub option called hyphen n. N represent number of lines. So we'll give in inverted commas in single quotes. So we will give in single quotes 2p. So what we are saying to print second line. Okay. Second line in demo.txt. Enter. Now it has printed the line number 2. So same we'll try with line number 4. Said. So as I said, just click on up arrow in your mouse. It will display the older command which we have used. Change here the number. It will print the line number 4. Okay, learning VI editor. Done. Okay. So if now printing is done, in first we have learned about replacing the word. Then we learned about printing. I mean, we have learned the replacing another word also. And in third one, we have learned about printing the particular line. Same with fourth line. Then we will learn how to delete actually the line number 2. So same we'll use sed command, sed hyphen I, and so single quotes to D. So D represent delete in demo.txt. Okay, enter. So to verify that cat demo.txt, you can see the line number 2 has been deleted and the word will be welcome to Linux tutorial. The sentence would be demo welcome to Linux tutorials. So this is how we can delete from outside without entering like VI editor. We can delete this. So steady is like very powerful command where we can use in multiple ways. Okay, now we will append a new line in demo.txt. For that, we have command called echo. Echo is like for printing any messages. We use this. So Linux is still powerful. Okay. So we need to give two greater than symbols to append something. Means we are injecting these sentences to demo.txt. Okay. Enter. So it has copied this sentence to demo.txt. Let's verify this by cat command demo.txt. Demo.txt. Okay. So it's not demo.txt, demo.txt. Enter. You can see it has created new file. Linux is very powerful. Actually, we need to do with demo.txt. Let's do that. Cat demo.txt. See, Linux is still powerful. So we need to do with demo.txt. So we'll do cat demo.txt. Enter. See, Linux is very powerful. Linux is still powerful. So it has appended 2 lines as we have given 2 times. So it has appended 2 lines. So to delete this line number 4 and 5, we'll delete line number 4. Okay. The command is sed hyphen I single quotes 1, 2, 4D. Okay. in demo.txt. Enter. Now verify it cat demo.txt. Enter. Now you can see there are there is no more two lines. This line has been deleted. Okay, now let's enter into demo.txt with VI editor. Enter. Now you can see all the content. So at one go, we have learned about how to delete single line, and if you want to remove only one single alphabet, you just press insert and you will backspace in your keyboard, it will delete, right? But I want to delete entire file, entire content inside the file. Just type escape and colon, focus here, colon percentage D. Enter. It has deleted no line string buffer. It has deleted entire lines. So that is how we can delete content inside a Linux in a file. Escape W. We need to exit from this file, right? We need to write, save and exit. WQ. Enter. So now to verify we have deleted everything inside it. It should be nothing. It should be empty, right? So cat demo.txt. So it has deleted everything, right? So far we have learned about VI editor and SED command, which is very powerful. We can use in multiple ways, like deleting, printing, replacing the keywords. So this is all about for today. These are the essential Linux commands every beginner and DevOps engineer should know about. Thank you so much.